Let's talk about trains.
Okay.
Globally speaking, rail is 6 times more energy efficient than roads, emits 9 times less CO2, and causes far less casualties too.
That's impressive.
It is, which is why rail is an essential ingredient in the recipe for a decarbonized transport system.
How do we do that then?
Modernization, upgrade of infrastructure, and new lines are key to increasing the mode share of rail.
Great. When do we start?
Well, Japan started in 1964 by building the first high-speed rail system. Since then, Asia has added more than 30,000 kilometers of capacity, 27,000 in the People's Republic of China alone, more than the rest of the world combined.
That's impressive.
The rollout of conventional lines and urban rail systems has also been spectacular in Asia in the last decades. Countries like India, Indonesia, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam have ambitious plans to build or expand their rail systems.
How come?
Because current customer demand sits at 900 billion passenger kilometers per year and growing. And in densely populated countries with high passenger density corridors, rail services can be both affordable to build and viable to maintain.
What about freight?
When it comes to freight, the trajectory is slightly different. The needs are there, and the benefits of rail freight are proven, but only a very limited number of countries rely on it. Despite that, Asia still leads the world in rail freight, carrying 7 trillion ton-kilometers annually.
Brilliant.
Well, there's always room for improvement, which is why ADB is proactively serving as secretariat for 2 major investment programs. CAREC, a partnership between 11 countries and development organizations that has mobilized $40 billion in investments since 2001 to establish multimodal transport networks. These include 2,000 kilometers of new railways and 3,500 kilometers of improved railway in Central Asia. And CESEC, which does much the same in South Asia.
So we're done?
Not quite. We can't talk about rail in Asia without touching upon urban mobility, transit systems, and commuter rails.
Obviously.
Since 1990, nearly 10,000 kilometers of rapid transit systems has been built in Asia. This is a huge and extremely commendable effort, and yet that is clearly not sufficient and far from meeting the transport demand. In fact, 1.37 billion people in Asia are left without any access to rapid public transit. So the efforts should clearly be accelerated, building on the solid experience acquired and the quality project developed in the region.
Definitely.
The ADB supports integrated and sustainable urban mobility planning and finances a variety of urban mobility projects. These include a series of large-sized commuter rail projects or even mega projects.
Mega projects?
Some of the signature projects are in India, like the Delhi Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System, and the Philippines with Manila's North-South Commuter Railway. All projects promote integrated transport corridor solutions, clean modes, latest technologies, and inclusive design.